My partner's family always called me his best friend until, from the beginning, Luis's family called me his best friend instead of his girlfriend. At first, I thought it was just a sweet way of referring to me, but soon I realized there was something more. Luis had had many complicated relationships, and his family, seeing his past wounds, decided that someone like a best friend would be enough for him without the complications of a romantic relationship. What started to bother me was when his sister Valeria, at a family gathering, looked at me and said, "Luis has always been so closed off with girls. In the end, it's nice to have a friend who stays forever." It hurt deeply because it felt like I would never truly be his girlfriend in the eyes of his family. That same night, Luis confessed to me that he felt he had to protect our relationship, afraid of suffering again. I loved him, but I felt invisible and frustrated. Should I continue being just his best friend in everyone's eyes, or demand that our relationship be recognized for what it truly is?